now we are going to revise all the problems that we have learned in the function theory. Use the graph to answer the following questions. State the domain. So we know domain are the x values. Okay, so the domain is starting from -5 and the point is included. Moving towards 1, 2 and 3, the point is not included, and then 3 towards positive infinity. Range is the y values. Y values is starting from minus infinity and going maximum to 6. F of -3 means we have to look -3 in the x-axis. -3 in the x-axis. So the answer with the y values is 6. F of x is equal to 3 means look 3 in the y-axis. These 2 points are not included, so this point is included, which is giving the answer 5. F of 0 means look 0 on the x-axis, y is also 0. Identify any maxima. Maxima is the maximum point on the x-axis. So the graph is going maximum over here, which is 4. Minima is the maximum point of the y-axis. So y-axis, the negative portion is 0, so it would be 0. F of x is 0. F of x is 0 means y is 0. So y is 0 means y is 0. F of x is equal to 0 means on 0 and 6. X is equal to 0 and 6. Because here it's 0, 0 and here it's 6. So y is 0 at both these points. F of x is increasing. Okay. Now f of x is from here to here. From 0 including to 3 excluding union 3 to 4. Decreasing from here to here -1 -2 to 0. Union 0 to 3 union 3 to 6. F of x is constant from -5 to -2. F of x is greater than 0 means above x-axis is -5 to 0. Union 0 to 6. And 3 is not included, so 3 union 3 to 6. Determine from the graph whether each of the following function is even, odd or neither. So we have already learned how to check the function is even or odd or neither. So for checking the function is even, we need to find out f of -6, which is equal to minus x square plus 10, which is equal to minus x square plus 10. So f of x is equal to f of -6, so it is even function. Now f of -x would be equal to 1 minus x minus x cube, which is equal to 1 plus x minus x cube is minus x cube, which is equal to plus x cube. So f of x is not equal to f of -x. Second option is we need to check f minus f of x, which is equal to -1 minus x cube. So -1 plus x cube. So f of x is not equal to minus f of x, so it would be neither, not even or odd. Calculate the graph of f of x to the on the right, perform the following reflections table. Of values is optional. Consider graph f of x on the right can perform the following reflections. Okay, we need to do the following reflections. So very easy. First of all, let's plot the values. X is -8 and y is -3. X is -5, y is 2, x is -2, y is 0, x is 3, y is -4, x is 7, y is 0, x is 8, 9, and y is 5. So we get. So reflection over x-axis means multiply y with the negative sign. Remember, we need to do like this. -8, -5, -2, 3, 7, 9. 3, -2, 0, +4, 0, and 5. And when we are going to plot it, it's going to be -2 with +3, -5 with -2, -2 with 0, 3 with 4, 7 with 0, 9 is basically going to come with, if it was 5, it should be -5. Over the y-axis, we need to transform -6 and y. So we are going to get is 8, 5, 2, 3, 7, 9, -3, 2, 0, -4, 0, 5, 8 and -3, 2 and 5, 2 and 0, sorry, 8 and -3, 5 and 2, 5 and 2, 2 and 0, 3 and -4, and 7 and 0, 9 and 5. We need to change all x values. 8, 5, 2, -3, -7, -9. It's going to be like this. 8, -3, 5, 2, 2, 0, -3, -4, -7, 0, -9, 5. Okay. Over the line y is equal to x. So over the line y is equal to x, xy will become yx. -3 and 8, 2 and -5, 0 and -2, -4 and But the origin we're going to multiply with negative sign to both. So just remember, whenever you have to do over the x-axis multiply y values with negative sign, over the y-axis multiply x values with the negative sign, over the y is equal to x, change the coordinates x and y, and over the line y is equal to x, change the coordinate x and y, or in 180-degree rotation about the origin. 180-degree rotation about the origin, change both with the negative signs. F of x is this and g of x is find f or g or x. G of f(x) would be g f of x is x plus 3. Now this will become our x, so it would be x plus 3 square minus x plus 3 minus 12. For g of minus 3, put minus 3 square minus 3 minus 12 f inverse. So here we need to put f inverse 0 in the f inverse of x. So here I'm doing it. F of x was equal to x plus 3. Okay, it was y is equal to x plus 3. Switching x and y and solving for y. So f inverse x is equal to x minus 3. So we need to put the value of 0 over here, 0 minus 3. Graph the transformations of g of x. Tables are optional. First of all, we need to do first of all we need to make the table for the first one. Okay, so now putting the values of minus 9, 4.5 minus 4, 2 to the 4, 1 minus 1 by 2, minus 1.5 and minus 4. Here we're going to get 8, 8, minus 4, 6 and minus 8. So x plus 1 means x minus 1 and plus 2 means y plus 2. This negative means reflect. X means negative y values. Describe each transformation and write an equation for the new graph in terms of f of x. So the first function is f of x. What is happening in the second function? It's reflecting over x first of all, and if it is 2 over here, it's 2 going here. Reflecting over x and going downwards with plus 2. And what is this happening? It's reflecting over, this big one is coming here and this one is reflecting over y. So reflecting over y with how much, if it's here, it's coming here with 2. So reflecting over y and vertical going down by 2. Okay, so first of all we will find the remaining unit of the function. The function is moving from minus 10 to 2, and the range is from -2 to 5. And domain of inverse and range of inverse is this inverse function. Okay, so finding the domain and how to find the inverse function, we need to do the alternate the x and y. So domain of the inverse function is the x values on the inverse function, that is from -10 to Next question is find the inverses of the following. So very easy to find the inverse in this case. Just switch x and y. Switch x and y. Find the equation of the inverse graph. Y is equal to x is the dotted line, and then graph the following relation, and its inverse is the same set of x's. So first of all, we need to graph the y is equal to x, then we will graph the function and its inverse with 3 different colors. So y is equal to 1 by 4 x plus 2. The inverse would be this would be the inverse. What will be the equation of the inverse? Switch is this inverse a function? Okay, 0 and 2, 4 and 3, minus 4 and 1, 2 and 0, 3 and 4, 1 and minus 4. This is, I'm doing for the inverse, I'm reversing the x and y coordinates. So it's going to come up with minus 60, minus 2 and plus 2 and minus 10 somewhere with this is the inverse one. The graph of x undergoes several transformations to create a new graph g of x. The graph of g of x has a domain of minus 2, 3 and absolute maximum at minus 1, 0. Does g of x have the same shades as f of x? If not, what dilations must occur? Okay, the graph of g of x is starting from minus 2 ending on 3 with maxima at minus 1, 0. Okay, so it has the same shape? No. What dilations must occur? Dilation, horizontal dilation by 1 by 2. This geometric same direction as f of x. If not, for reflection, there is no reflection over x-axis. I have done the sketching. What transitions must now happen to move your sketch from the above mapping to the g of x? So you move 1 unit right. Write the equation for g of x in terms of f of x. G of x would be equal to minus f 2x minus 1. Verify if the following are the inverse functions or not. For finding if they, we're going to f g of x, which is equal to f x minus 15 by 7, which is equal to 17 by 7 plus 15, which is equal to x. G f of x, which is equal to g 7x plus 15, which is equal to x. So yes, they are inverse. Because we know for the inverse function the answer should be x and it's not x, it's x plus 4. Done with it. Determine algebraically whether each of the following functions are even, odd, or neither. So for even, so it's not even. For odd, analyze the graph at the right. F minus G1 means f of 1 minus g of 1 means f of 1 is, this is the function, and f of 1 is 0. G of 1 is -2. F -2. 0 minus 1 minus f -2 is at -1. G -2 is at -2. G -2 is at 7, sorry. F of 2 2, and G of 2 -1. G f of 3 4, G of 4 7. Oh, sorry. F of x should be greater than g of x. So from which interval f of x is greater than g of x? Domain of g of x is -2, -2 and 7. So domain of g of x is -2 to 7 becomes the input of f of x. The graph y is equal to f of x and y is equal to g of x are shown below. If f or g x is equal to -3, find the possible values of x, show the working reasonably. So it means if g of x is equal to -3, so if g of x is equal to a, f of a is equal to minus 3. So minus 3, the value of y is minus 3 at minus 2 minus 3 at 0 minus 3 at 0 and 2 3 4 So a will be minus 3 at 0 and minus 3. So g of x can be either 0, so x would be minus 1 and 4. G of x can either be minus 3, so x would be minus 2 and 5. Determine the composition f of g of h of x. G of x. New x is this 2. So here we're done with the revision worksheet of unit number 1. Hopefully you have enjoyed learning the worksheet.